Hey guys, how to withdraw money from Kraken Pro to a bank account. In order to pull this off, you need to use the Kraken wallet because Kraken Pro is only for practical stuff like, scalp trading, day trading, and, going and analyze the market, right? See the charts and everything. So in order to do this, we will need to exchange or turn the crypto into money or into cash and then withdraw it to our bank account. So go back to your screen, then go ahead and use the Kraken Wallet app. Make sure to download it and update it to the latest version. Now, after I log in, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and click the portfolio at the bottom. Okay, and in the portfolio you're gonna see crypto, right? So I'm gonna select the crypto that I want to turn into money, eventually transfer it to my bank account or withdraw it to my bank account. So I'm gonna hit Bitcoin, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the three dots next to the withdraw. Okay, you're gonna see balance under it, deposit, withdraw, and then three dots. Go ahead and click on it, and then what you're gonna do, we're gonna just convert, right? We're gonna exchange one asset for another. So I'm gonna turn the crypto into a money. So let's have an example, 25%. And then you're gonna see BTC and USDT. Click the USDT because this is the basically the coin that I want to turn into. So select your local currency, let's say US dollar, and then hit continue, right? And then what you're gonna do, you just go ahead and turn the $11 into USD. So let's say for example, I want to turn, let's say $5, right? And then continue, and you're gonna see the Kraken fee, and then hit confirm, and then you're gonna confirm via basically authentication app. Then hit enter, and now you turn your Bitcoin into cash, right? Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back to my portfolio. I'm gonna see US dollar, right? Cash and stable coins. So I'm gonna click the US dollar right here. And then you can see withdraw, right? And then enter the amount, which is $5. And then under the $5, you're gonna see add new bank account details, right? And you have two options: Swift via Bank Frick and Itana custody, right? So if you have one of these payment method or withdrawal method, excuse me, go ahead and click and enter the bank name and then the information. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.